Hello students of class 12. Previous chapter in the previous class we have to learn about relation. Now we are going to read about function. Function definition of the function has been read in the previous class 11. All students know about definition of the function. Function is a special type of relation, means relation converted into function with any speciality. In this class there are 4 types of function. We are going to discuss it. First type function is one function. Second type function many one function. Third into function and onto function. One function is also known as surjective. One function is also known as surjective. Or one function or surjective. Into function or injective. First of all, we have to read one function. According to definition of the function, every element of set A is related with only one element in set B. Then the function is defined. Suppose that two sets A and B are given. Set A is having element A, B, C and D. Set B is also A. Set B has element P, Q, R, S, T, U, etc. If function defined from set A to B, means function A to B defined as this: A is related with P, B is related with Q, C is related with R and D is related with S. The element of set B, P and U has not any pre-image in set A, but the function is defined because every element of set A has some image in set B and one image in set B. One element has only one image in set B, hence this type of the function is called one function. Hence one function is that type of the function. Every element of set A has only one corresponding element in set B, and it is one function. Write the definition of the one function. If one function, if function A to B is defined, function A to B is defined as one element of set A has only one corresponding element in set B, then the function will be one function. We know it by mapping. Suppose that set A has element 1, 2, 3 and 4. Set B has element 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the function is defined as the given mapping set A and set B. Set A has element 1, 2, 3 and 4. Set B has element 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1. The corresponding element of 1 is 0. The corresponding element of 2 is 1. The corresponding element of 3 is 2. The corresponding element of 4 is 3. In this mapping, only one element, every element of set A has only one image in set B. Hence, it is 1-1 function. Sometimes, for more than one element has only one image in set B, and that type of the function is called many-one function. But it is not many-one function, it is 1-1 function. 1-1 function has some element in set B that is not any image of any element in set A. It may possible. Now, we want to solve the problem on the basis of 1-1 function. Suppose that any function A to B is defined by any rule fx such that fx equal to 3x plus 2, fx equal to x minus 1, fx equal to x square minus 2, x square minus 4, etc. These are various types of the function, and suppose that any one function is defined from set A to B, and the domain of the function is set A, and codomain is the set function is set B. Domain is A and codomain is B. Now we have to take the two elements from set A and we put the value of the element in fx, and fx1 and fx2 will be equal, then the function is 1-1, or the element is equal. If the element of set A is not equal each other, suppose that two element of A means two element of domain, let x1 and x2 are two elements belongs to set A, means x1 and x2 is two elements of domain, and we have to put the x1 in fx and x2 is fx, and x1 does not equal to x2. x1